Namaste. Today's topic is reproduction in plants. Reproduction is a process in which the organism will maintain the own species. For example, hibiscus always give rise to hibiscus and jasmine will give rise always to jasmine flower plants. So the organism tries to retain its own species by reproduction. In case of plants, it is possible for asexual and sexual reproduction. In case of angiosperm, the main reproduction is by sexual reproduction. It is followed by means of pollination. See, pollination means transfer of anther from a flower to the other flower. If it is the same flower within the flower, it is called autogamy. If it is in the same plant, two different flowers from one flower to other flower of the same plant, it is called geitonogamy. Suppose if two flower from one anther is falling onto the another flower of the another plant of the same species, then it is called allogamy or xenogamy. So different types of pollinations are available, whether it is in the same flower or within the same plant or different plant. Based on that, different technical terms are given. Now, the flower can be unisexual or bisexual. Unisexual means the flower with only one reproductive organ. Generally, there are male and female two reproductive parts are possible. The male reproductive part is called stamen. It consists of the two parts. A filament and the anther-like structure will be present in case of stamen. And inside that pollen grain, the male gametes will be present. In case of female reproductive part, ovary, stay and stigma like structure will be there. Three parts constitute the female reproductive part called as pistil or carpel. Now, when by wind or water, by surf, whatever it is that when the male reproductive part falls on the female reproductive part, for example, first it will adhere to the stigma, then it will enter inside through and reaches the ovule by means of pollen tube formation. It will reaches the ovule. In the ovule, when the pollen grains are moving, it will have two gametes. The first gamete will first enter, followed by the next one. They will be moving in the pollen tube. So from the stigma part to the stay, it will reaches the ovule region. Now, inside the ovule, how many eggs will be there? It will undergo two meiosis to form 8 eggs. Out of 8, the first 3 will be on the base, micropylar end. The middle will be the egg piece, the two or synergic cells. On the top, antipodal cells, 3 cells will be there. So 3 nucleus will form 3 cells, and here 3 egg and the 2 synergies will make 3 cells. Two meiosis will form 8 nucleus, 3 plus 3, 6 over. The remaining 2 nucleus will occupy the center. It is called central nuclei or bipolar nuclei, polar nuclei. And this polar 2 nucleus will be forming in a single cell. So totally there are 7 cell and 8 nucleus stage in the embryo sac, out of which the pollen grain will have two male gametes. The first male gamete fuses with the egg to form a fertilization. Fusion of male gamete with the female gamete is called fertilization. Okay, and this fertilization results in zygote, a single diploid cell. Diploid means two chromosomes, that is a pair of chromosomes will be there. And this diploid will undergo mitosis to form embryo. What about the second male gamete? It will go and fertilize the bipolar nucleus, which is in the center. Two nucleus are there in the center. With that, the second sperm will go and fuse to form triple fusion, because already two nucleus. This is the third nucleus, so it will make triple fusion. And already female gamete and the sperm is the male gamete. This fusion will make triple fusion. This is the second fertilization. So in case of angiosperm, double fertilization takes place. The first one is the egg plus sperm form zygote followed by embryo formation, that is first fertilization. And the second is the triple fusion forming a primary endosperm, which will undergo repeated division to form endosperm. That endosperm will provide nourishment to the developing embryo. So the ovule will become the seed and the ovary will form a tasty fruit. Okay, have a good day.